When the COVID-19 lockdown happened, migrants were desperate to head back to their villages. Yes, the city jobs were shut down, but it would very soon also be time for the one lifeline left. Harvest. If we talk of rural Odisha, they mostly earn from only one crop. To see them through the rest of the year, they migrate in large numbers to other states in search of work. If the migration is to come down, the farmer has to earn and sustain his family from the field. We at Atma Shakti took the second crop idea to the farmer through their village level sangatans. We identified moong dal, suitable in many ways as the second crop. It didn't require much irrigation, making it a good match for the soil and weather conditions. It fetched more than the traditional paddy crop in the market and enhanced the farmers' annual income significantly. If they kept part of it for home consumption, as they generally did, it added nutrition to their largely mono diet of rice. This would be a bonus for our ongoing fight against malnutrition on the health front. The tribes had all along been forest gatherers and foragers, and by and large cultivated only paddy for both consumption and income. With the sangatans encouraging them, they began growing many kinds of vegetables alongside their crops. We came up with different solutions for related issues like water scarcity, farm ponds, canals, and lift irrigation systems were installed in sync with what was locally possible.
आगे आमे आगुरु खाली धान चाष करूथुनु तापर ए भाई मान आसिक तांको टे सिखासी करबारे मुग चाष भी कलो अरे एन सब चाष बाड़ी करी मुग धान आ कोबी टमाटो बैगण एमती चाष सब करी चलुँ ए भाई मान द्वारा आमे टिके किछिटा इंप्रूव करिछु.
What began as a quest to persuade farmers to add a second crop became an exploration of many options. In some places, we began training some villagers to grow and market mushrooms. Many farmers were able to add this venture in their backyard makeshift arrangements. All our endeavors to encourage and spread the second and additional cultivation caught the attention of some agricultural experts.
We got in touch with some agricultural experts who told us that if you're doing this experiment for second crop, then why don't you promote traditional farming for the first crop itself?
But even experts are generally of the opinion that transitioning from chemical farming to traditional or organic will initially reduce the yield of the farmer.
Why should we get into something where the farmer, if he doesn't succeed, then he won't even trust us for the second crop? We were able to start with a smaller number of farmers on a smaller part of their land, maybe half an acre, maybe a quarter acre.
We first taught the farmers how to use only the most viable seeds. They soak the seed in water with cow urine added to it. After the floating seeds are discarded, what is left has a 100% germination rate. For organic fertilizer, we taught them to make what we call khajra khad. The farmers dig up termite hill soil, which is easily available in this region. To this they add cow dung and mix it well till the texture is grainy and particulate. This nutrient-rich organic fertilizer is stored and used for all kinds of crops. The third training we conducted in field was on how to make an organic pesticide, which we call pot medicine. They first pluck equal quantities of leaves of local plants. neem leaves, ark leaves, and karanj leaves. These are shred and stuffed together in an earthen pot to which jaggery and cow urine are added. This is sealed and left for a week, after which it is sieved and the concoction bottled to be used in the year. They add a measure of the pot medicine to water and spray their crop and plants periodically. They began the organic experiment with farmers in Bodh district in a year when, unfortunately, the rainfall conspired to be less than normal.
To our great surprise and joy, the traditional crop did much better than the fertilizer crop, because obviously with less moisture, the fertilizer was not so effective, whereas our thing did well. Instead of dropping, we had an increase in yield and a savings per acre because we weren't using fertilizer or pesticide.
To enhance these results, we took the next logical step, creating local seed banks. The farmers used a traditional method of preserving crop seeds. We also took the seed bank concept to all our congregations, where farmers could exchange notes about methods and outcomes.
ये जो पारंपरिक बीज है उसको कैसे बचा जाए और इसको इकट्ठा किया जाए, डिपॉजिट किया जाए एक जगह पर, और डिपॉजिट करने का बाद फिर जो गरीब तबके के छोटा छोटा किसान है, किसान लोग को दिया जाए, और साल भर, एक साल का बाद जब हार्वेस्टिंग हो जाएगा ये फिर वापस करेंगे कुछ ज़्यादा बीज। ये पारंपरिक जो सीड है उसमें पेस्टिसाइड का ज़रूरत नहीं होता है, इंसेक्टिसाइड का जो केमिकल्स है उसका ज़रूरत नहीं होता है, पानी भी कम ज़रूरत होता है। लेकिन हम मार्केट का बीज इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो पानी बहुत लगता है और केमिकल पेस्टिसाइड के बिना तो वो हो नहीं सकता है। ये मेरा अनुभव है और मैं देखा हूँ भी।
The organic experiment has been catching quickly with farmers because they see for themselves the evidence of what the pioneers have been reaping.
सेटा से उसोटा दउथलो जे है उसने उसोटा माने से उसोटा कि पोट नहीं आसुथला ई उसोटा जन बताले देलो नुटी के पोटटा भल आसला गला बरस माने सब दिन दी आधा देर देथलो जे बस फिर निहादू देमु गो ह।
गुरुबारी माँ का जब फसल अच्छा हुआ बीते साल तो उसी को देख के बाकी लोग का माने माइंड अच्छा ये हुआ, डाइवर्ट हुआ और इस साल करने के लिए वो लोग रेडी हुए।
फरक देखले बोले आगु आज्ञा टे चाष कम अमल होता है, खजरा खत करके अधिक बिहनटा को विसर्जन कलापर अधिक अमल देखला, जेटा 50 बस्ता होता है 100 बस्ता है धान
ना। जैविक देले अधिक हो कारण माटीर ताने भल रोचे, रासायनिक द्वारा कमी जाऊे।
सार फार नहीं देवार जोगर से मीठा अच्छे और सेटा सार जेन बेसी पड़ुचे से मीठा नहीं थोगा सेटा मीठा नहीं लगुला,
कौन सी रोग रुगा हबार नहीं, ता पछे फल भी टेस्ट भल होउजे।
Wherever the traditional crop can replace non-organic crop, that's an added bonus. Definitely in the next 3 to 5 years, we would want the 1 million farmers that we're currently working with and the 3 million that we hope to reach, a large number of them become self-sufficient in terms of food from their own land by doing the second crop.
Growth defines everything that life embodies. But humans qualify that growth with that unique innate urge to each day choose the seeds they sow, so they may harvest a better tomorrow.
धनिया रे हो जाय 2-3 हजार धनिया रे हो छी आर से सोरिष भी 2-3 हजार टका हो जाय एंती करी एंती 8-10 हजार हो जाय सेटा भी ड्राइविंग छाड़ के चाष कली मोर पिला पाठ पढ़े जाय एंती सब चलछि।
धन्यवाद।